In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Instantly. So in order to link or connect your Gmail to your Instantly.ai, what you can do is you first need to head over to Instantly.ai right there onto their site and click on this start for free in order to create an account. If you already have an account like I do, click onto this login option. Now you need to make sure that you also have a Gmail or a Google account. So for this, head over to a new tab and type in here accounts.google.com. And then from in there, just proceed to sign into your Google account or create a new one based on this. Now here is my actual Instantly. So on this case, just navigate to the email accounts, which is this icon. Click on this add new. And after you have done that, next thing you need to do is to choose right here this connect existing accounts. We'll have right here the Gmail. So proceed to click on that. Now you can choose a selection option which is an OAuth or an app password. You can just choose in here which one you want. I'll choose right here this OAuth. Click on this. And in here you can just go to your Google Workspace admin panel. So let's head over to our link right here that we have. And we have in here this client ID. So make sure to copy it. Then on your Google right there, make sure to first verify that it's you. Make sure to choose your account on the list and then click on the configure new app in order to create a new app. Then copy this using this client ID to search for Instantly and then select and approve to instantly access your Google Workspace. You can proceed to click onto this login option and it will open in here this opener. You can just infiltrate here or instantly sign in using your Instantly.ai account in order to connect or link those two together. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.